Hello friend, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial we will solve a problem which is from a strength of material and based on concept of deflection. So please note down this problem because it have asked in GATE 2015. I hope you have noted down this problem. So let's try to understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question there is a cantilever beam, which means the beam with one end is free and other end is fixed with flexural rigidity of 200 Newton meter square, and flexural rigidity is equal to the product of E and I, where E is Young modulus and I is moment of inertia, which represent the resistance offered by the structure or beam while undergoing bending. Here 500 Newton load is acting on this beam at the mid of, and total length of this beam is given, which is equal to 100 mm. So guys, I hope you understand till now and keep watching till the end. At the end you will definitely able to solve this problem with very ease. So let's go for the solution. Here first I want to make it clear what you have to find by using these two figure. Here 500 Newton is acting at the mid, and when this load is acting on this beam, then the beam will get deflected and shape of the beam after deflection will be like this. And here we have suppose YC is total deflection at the tip of the beam, which we have to find, and here we have suppose Y1 is deflection at the mid and theta is slope of this curve, and value of load 500 Newton and flexural rigidity 200 Newton meter square is given in the question. Total deflection at the tip of the beam from this figure is equal to the sum of y1 and y2, and here y1 is deflection at the mid of the beam and y2 is this length, and this length is equal to theta into total length 0.1 minus L, which value is 0.05, where theta is slope. And as you know friend, the deflection of cantilever beam is equal to omega LQ divided by 3 EI, and slope of cantilever beam is equal to omega L square divided by 2 EI. And if you don't know this value, then this value is calculated by the moment area method, and according to the moment area method, the area under deflection curve give the value of slope, and product of slope and distance of centroid of the deflection curve from the fixed end give the value of deflection. And in this way you will get the value of deflection omega LQ divided by 3 EI, and slope is equal to omega L square divided by 2 EI. And here the value of omega, that is load 500 Newton, is known, and the product of EI is known, also the value of length is known. So after putting these all known value here, we will get the value of deflection at the tip of the beam, which is equal to 2.60 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter, and it is in mm is equal to 0.26 mm, which is our final answer. So guys, I hope you have understand and enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any doubt or query related to this, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.